back, YouTube. We're back with this little $10 thing. If you read the title, you obviously know what it is. We're doing the Blowfish Sound Symposer Delete because I don't like, you know, hearing noise that's just like funneled in or fake or any of that other stuff that these companies like to do nowadays. So we're going to remove it, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. If you're looking for the kit, here's what it's called. Here are the parts that came with it. You get a clamp, tube cover that blocks the hole on the intake, and then the beauty ring cover for the hole in the firewall. Loosen this clamp and remove this hose from the intake tube. Push the rubber plug over the nipple. I didn't like the little clamp that came with it, and I had a wider clamp laying around, so I just put this wider clamp on. But either way, if you're going to use this one, you just slide it on and then tighten the clamp down. Use a panel popper and pop the clip out, because that's what's attaching this section to the strut area. In the back, there's this little clip that goes through the Sound Symposer hose to help mount it. You're going to have to squeeze that with needle nose or your fingers, and then disconnect it from the Sound Symposer hose. Since I have a strut bar, it's hard to get to show you this, but where that clip was, down, is where it plugs into the firewall. You just need to yank it out of that spot right there. There's a clip towards the bottom that's like impossible to get to, so just yank and it'll come off. Now that that junk's out, we're going to put the beauty clip in. So grab this and you're just going to plug that into the hole. So take the clip, push it in that hole, and that'll keep anything from going through the firewall. Getting this in was the hardest part. Being a fat bastard with big hands makes it really difficult, but I got it. And just so you know, that's pretty much going to happen to you if you have anything bigger than Chinaman hands. So find a Chinaman to help you out. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. And if you want to get this for your own car, you can go to AmericanMuscle.com. That's where I got mine. And I wouldn't buy this as your only thing, though, because then you'll get charged shipping on a $10 part. So try to buy something else too. Pretty easy. Just if you got fat hands, it's not going to fit very well to put that plug in. Other than that, this is a 1 out of 5 hardness difficulty, I guess. So till next time, wrench on.